If you have a plain text file that you want to share or print professionally, converting it to a PDF is the best option. It keeps the formatting clean and makes sure it opens properly on any device. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily convert a text document to PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's get started. In this Systweak PDF Editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert a text document to a PDF file, click on Convert From, and you'll see a list of all the formats you can change into PDF. Select Text to PDF from the given options. A window will pop up. Select your text file and click Open. The tool will instantly convert your text document into a PDF. Click OK, and the PDF file will also be automatically saved in the same location as the original document, and your new PDF will open up. This was the original text document, and here's the PDF file we just created from it. Now, if you want to convert multiple text files to PDF, here's how you can do it. Click on Convert, then click Batch Process and choose Batch Create. Now simply drag and drop the files here. Once you're all set, click on Create PDF, and Systweak PDF Editor will convert all your files in one go. And that's it. All your files are now saved as PDFs. So that's how easy it is to convert a text document into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.